Before there was cornbread or hoe cakes, there was ashcake. No flour, no fancy crust, just cornmeal, water, and fire. Wheat flour was scarce. Yeast was a luxury. Time was even rarer. After long hours in the fields, there was no patience for rising dough or oven baking. So they made do. Cornmeal was mixed with water and sometimes a pinch of salt, nothing more. The dough was shaped by hand and placed directly into hot embers or wrapped in leaves and buried beneath ashes. And when it was pulled from the fire, it was dense, smoky, crisp on the outside, soft in the center. Ashcake became portable. You could tuck it into a pocket before sunrise and eat it in the fields. Filled the stomach just enough to keep working. And over time, ashcake evolved. Became hoe cakes cooked on flat metal tools. Became skillet cornbread. It became the golden, butter-brushed slices we know today. But its origin is not comfort food. It's resilience food. Today, when we enjoy cornbread at Sunday dinner, we rarely think about its earliest form, baked beneath embers after a 14-hour workday. But that history is still there in the story. Ashcake is simple, but it carries weight. It's the taste of endurance and the quiet foundation of what would later become Southern cuisine. This is Soul Food Stories. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.